I don't know how to live good. I only know how to suffer. The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just got to find the ones worth suffering for. Some people feel the rain. Others just get wet. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver or gold. Love the life you live. Live the life you love. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow. We should not cry about something that was taken from us, but yes, love what we have been given, because what is really ours is never gone forever. When one door is closed, don't you know that many more are open? The day you stop racing is the day you win the race. When the race gets hard to run, it means you just can't take the peace. Things will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. The more greener you are, the more wiser you will be. Never expect God to do for you what you don't do to others. The problem is, people are being hated when they are real and are being loved when they are fake. The most beautiful curve on a woman's body is her smile. You will never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. One good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. If a woman is amazing, she won't be easy. If she's easy, she won't be amazing. Before you start pointing fingers, make sure your hands are clean. Perfect guys don't exist, but there's always one guy that is perfect for you. None but ourselves can free our minds. The biggest coward of a man is to awaken the love of a woman without the intention of loving her. Live for yourself, and you will live in vain. Live for others, and you will live again. Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? You can fool some people, sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time. I have no education. I have inspiration. If I was educated, I would be a damn fool. True friends are like stars. You can only recognize them when it's dark around you. Beginnings are usually scary, and endings are usually sad. But it's everything in between that makes it all worth living.